Go ahead. I'm Jermaine Staple representing for Jamaica Good Life. We have here one of our musical icon, Luciano. I just want to big up the channel, Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica Good Life. This is what we do. Small people doing big things. Love and the charity we share with the world and the majority. So join in with I and I. Bless up. Saying, wanted to know that Jamaica is still a place that we all can come and have a good meditation. No matter what is going on, we believe in good over evil. Righteousness exalted the nation, and sin is a reproach unto Jah. Rastafari, the sinner and the messenger, to teach the youth about roots and culture. Remember, Jamaica Good Life. Make the choice. Chef Jermaine, cooking for the people and nourishing the people.